Hi folks, today we will pull this 1000-pound safe from this garage corner and move it into an office room. In the past, someone installed the safe all the way to the left. The position is bad. We will have to turn and tilt the safe multiple times to make it come out of the walls. We position 2 steel plates around the safe. This will reduce the chance of flooring damage. After the safe is in a good spot, we wrap and protect the finish completely. We could not park our truck close due to a lot of construction in the street. So we will have to roll our hydraulic jacks all the way down the street. Now we start the unloading. We have already set up ramps supported by wood beams. Once inside, we choose the best way to push the safe up to an elevated flooring. We protect the flooring and set up another ramp. Now it is just a matter of positioning the safe where requested, unwrap it, and voila! Hey, don't forget to like our video and subscribe. Thanks for watching and God bless America!